A startup Aerialis has secured a major funding boost from an undisclosed Middle East backer, plus new technical support from propulsion giant Rolls-Royce, moving its modular jet trainer concept a step closer to manufacturing reality. Under an agreement signed on 16 September, as Aerialis promoted its UK-designed product at the DSEI show in London, the €10.5 million or $14.5 million financial injection comes from a Middle Eastern sovereign wealth fund, the company says. Stated commitment as an initial investment by the unnamed party, Aerialis says the funds will support the design, development and first flight of the advanced jet trainer. Aerialis Chief Executive Tristan Crawford calls the funding support a transformational moment and the project and says the company. Also during the show, Aerialis and RR announced a memorandum of understanding or MOU under which the engine manufacturer will meet the company's propulsion requirements. The MOU activity will focus initially on using Rolls-Royce's propulsion system, powering the pre-production aircraft and the ability to integrate them digitally in the aircraft design process, Aerialis said. Given the Aerialis aircraft can be reconfigured with different single and twin engine modules, the MOU will also go on to explore how Rolls-Royce's future propulsion system technology can be utilized across multiple Aerialis variant aircraft to meet different operational requirements, it added. We are delighted to announce our collaboration with such a highly capable and respected partner in the industry. The fully integrated digital infrastructure that we will build alongside our aircraft is the first of its kind and we could not think of a better partner to be doing it with, Crawford says. We are looking forward to progressing this innovative program with Aerialis to help them meet their power and propulsion, says Alex Zeno, RR's Executive Vice President, Business Development. Aerialis notes that its new pact with RR builds on previous agreements reached with Atkins, Siemens and Thales UK. It also continues to be in discussion with the UK Ministry of Defence and leaders from across the defence industry to explore further options for supporting this program.